Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good and doing fun in your life, and I'm going to show you beautiful crochet sweater pattern today. And so here is the arm side, and I have to start the arm from this point, under arm point. So I'll take this skin color and will this skin color, 3 chain, consider as 1 double crochet, then we'll make double crochet in next chain. As it's a large chain space here of 2 chains, so I'm going to make 2 double crochet in this chain space. Now 1 double crochet, and we are taking this yarn with us to lock it. Then double crochet in next chain. We have to simply make double crochet in all the next chains. We have to make double crochet in all the next chains till the end of this arm. So after making double crochet in all the chains, I reached at the end point, so I have to make 2 double crochet in this chain space because it is the chain space of 2 chains. So 2 double crochet in this chain space. Now I have to make double crochet in next chain, that is this double crochet at the bottom. Sorry, look at this. And now double crochet in this next chain. We should have to avoid so many double crochet in these spaces because it will increase the size of your shoulder. Now I have to end this round here by making a slip stitch. So here the round is completed here. Now we'll make 3 chains again and double crochet in next chain and double crochet in all the next chains. So look at this, we have to make double crochet in all the chains till the end, and we'll at the end we will end the round by making slip stitch. So I reached at the end point of this next round. So this is the end of the round 2 of the arm. This is last double crochet in last chain. Now time to make a slip stitch to join the sides, or to okay, I ended up this round here. Now I have to make the next round 3 chains, double crochet in next chain, double crochet in next chain. So we have to repeat the same procedure till the number of rows are completed, 2, 4, 6 and 8. We have to complete 8 rounds here in this side of the skin color, as you can see. And we have to reduce 2 double crochet in this 3rd round. Let me show you how. As this is an underarm side, so we have a side, we have to reduce double crochet in this side, not in the upper side. So I will reduce 1 double crochet in this place. After 3 double crochet, I'm going to reduce 1 double crochet here to make a curve of arm. So this is the procedure to reduce double crochet. You can see we have to put hook in the next chain, then we have to put the hook in the next chain again, and we have to take over the yarn over the hook and pass it from these 2 chains in a single time. Now we have to pass the yarn from these 2 loops, then from next 2 loops. This is the reduction of 1 chain, and this double crochet in on these 2 double crochet at the bottom, and Now double crochet in all the next chains, and then we will reduce the other double crochet on this side, and then I'll show you how. So I have reached at the end point, so here I have to reduce one double crochet. By the same procedure, we have to put the hook in the first chain, next chain, then we have to put the hook in the next chain again, then pass over the yarn from these two loops first in same time. Now we have to pass over the yarn from these two loops, then from these two loops. So here we reduced one double crochet, and next procedure is same as we done before. Double crochet in next chains and slip stitch here. Here we form a little curve in arms shape. Then we will start next round with the same procedure. Look at this. This is the same procedure, but we reduced one double crochet here and one double crochet on the other side, and we form this a little curve here. Now we have to repeat the same procedure as we done in the first and second round, that there is no reduction in next rounds. We have to repeat the same procedure of making double crochet in all the next chains. Then at last we will end the round by making slip stitch, and we have to complete the 8 rounds of this same color. Then I'll show you the final results. So I have completed the 8 rounds of skin color. Now I'm going to use this brown color. We'll make 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3 chains, then tighten up, and we'll make double crochet in next chain by taking these extra yarn with us. Double crochet in next chain, then double crochet in next chain. We are just repeating the same procedure but with color brown. Now we have to cut the extra yarn. Simply double crochet in all the next chains. So here I have completed the round. Now at the end we will make a slip stitch to join the two sides. Then we'll make 3 chain, double crochet in next chain, and double crochet in all the next chains till the end, and we have to repeat the previous procedure, and nothing new in next rounds. We have to repeat the same procedure till 7 to 8 rounds. Then after completing these 7 to 8 rounds, I will show you the final result. So I have completed the 8 rounds of this brown color. Now we will start the border of this sweater like the other one. As you can see, this is the sweater's border. Now I'm going to start this